Hello everyone, welcome to SM Automobile. Today we are going to review the Hero Optima HX. These are the 12-inch tubeless tires with telescopic suspension in the front, and this is the front look of the scooter, and this is the removable lithium phosphate battery which is 51.2 volt and 30 Ah. This is the Optima HX badging on the side, and you have license and registration required for this scooter. This is the 600 watt waterproof motor and the dual shock absorbers at the rear. You get a 3-year warranty for the motor and the battery also. This is the pillion grab handle, and you have a good connector plug. This is the luggage hook and front storage place. Now let's check the digital display. It displays the speed, kilometer and the battery status, and the visibility is good. This scooter can travel up to a range of 120 kilometers in a single charge. You get two batteries, and these are the two charges. The scooter can get completely charged in 4 to 5 hours, and you have a little bit of storage place. And now we will completely charge the battery. You can see the percentage indications on the battery charger. Today we are going to do the range test of this electric scooter. This is the external charging point by which you can charge both the batteries at a time. One of the battery is completely full. You can see the green light glowing at 100%, and the another battery is yet to be charged. I am going to ride this scooter in city driving conditions and on the highway also. Now both the batteries are completely charged, and let's start with the range test. Now we'll check the kilometer reading. The kilometer reading is 0.1 kilometers, and we are also carrying an extra battery. Now I have completed 9.8 kilometers, and this is the USB charging point for the mobile. These are the horn indicator and the high beam low beam switch. The seating position is good, and the seat is long enough to accommodate two passengers. It has a loading capacity of 150 kgs. The first point I have to say that the acceleration is linear, friends. For the previous scooters there was a jerk in power when we start the scooter initially, but now we can experience smooth acceleration without any jerks. The riding comfort is also good, and it consists of tubeless tires. The braking is on a little bit harder side, so I think the brakes need to be improved. Now let's check how much speed we can achieve in this scooter with two persons. Now the loading capacity on this scooter is approx 120 kgs. And we are able to get a speed of 46 to now 47, and this is on the flat surface of the road. On inclines we have to check how the pickup is. Yeah, we have achieved a top speed 48 kilometers per hour. And now let's check on the incline how does it perform. We are at a speed of 42 to 41 kilometers per hour, and now we are approaching an incline. You can see the speed reducing. It has dropped down to 39 kilometers per hour, and now it is able to maintain a constant speed. This scooter also has regenerative braking feature, as it consists of two similar batteries. We are going to do a complete range test of a single battery, and we can simply calculate the approximate range with two batteries. It is easy to handle this scooter. The seat height is also good. You can also overtake the slow going vehicles, but I prefer being on the left side of the road as the speed is restricted just to 45 or 48 kilometers per hour. The claimed range on this scooter is 120 kilometers on a full charge. That is, with single battery we can travel up to 60 kilometers. So let's check how much far we can travel on a single battery. The cost of this scooter is 74,640 rupees ex showroom. It requires license and registration. It consists of drum brakes in the front and rear. We have driven the scooter approximately 20 to 25 kilometers in the city, and now we are approaching towards the highway. And we are able to maintain a constant speed of 44 to 45 kilometers per hour. This speed is decent enough for the city driving conditions, so you can easily travel in the city. Now we have done 42.7 kilometers and the voltage indication is 52 volts. When we were starting it was 53 volts and there is a drop in 1 volt. Now we have stopped and it is 54.9 kilometers. Let's check how much far we can go more. The battery status indication is not appropriate as just the voltage drop is being seen, but there is no indication that there is decrease in the battery even after completing 55 kilometers nearly. The performance is the same even with after completing 50 kilometers. Now you can see the speedometer. The kilometer reading is 59. And now we have completed the 60 kilometers. and you can see the battery status empty. Whenever you accelerate, it is displaying like the load on the battery. But whenever you leave the throttle, you can see the battery status. It is displaying nearly 49 to 51 volts. And now we have completely drained the battery, and you can see the display blank. Now let me show you how many kilometers we have done, and we will switch to the next battery. So for this one, we have to open the seat, and then we have to switch to another battery, that is B2. Now let's check the kilometers. We have done 72 kilometers, and you can see the battery status empty. It consists of LED headlight. As we were able to travel 72 kilometers with a single battery, so you can easily travel 120 kilometers plus with two batteries. And these batteries weigh approximately 8 to 9 kgs, and they are removable, so people who are staying in the apartment also can easily charge their scooter. You can even use it with a single battery. Just place one battery for charging at home, and you can carry another battery for the like traveling to the office. This is the another battery below, but please ensure that you connect the connecting switch properly, and ensure the MCB switch is off before removing the batteries. These are the lithium phosphate batteries, which provide 20 to 25% more range, and they have a good battery life when compared to the lithium ion. With the next battery also, we have completed nearly 10 kilometers, and you can see the battery like LED headlight. It provides good visibility. So you can travel easily in the night time. Thanks for watching the complete video, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe.